every day. Right, today we're going to be harvesting the corn. So these have been ready for a while, so we should have harvested them sooner, but that's okay. So we're just going to check them. So how you know the corn is ready is you can check by the liquid that comes out of the corn. So you want it to be a milky fluid as opposed to a clear fluid. All right, so that's pretty milky right there. So that's how you know this is ready. So you don't actually need to blanch the corn. We're going to show you the next steps on how to freeze the corn. We can do freezing of the corn on the cob and then of the actual kernels. And it's raining out here, but we're still rising. We're going to freeze the corn on the cob. So we don't have to blanch it before freezing. All we have to do is cut the ends. We just want to take off some of the layers here, not all of them. Just protective layer for the corn. And then we'll pop it in our freezer bag. And we'll just keep doing this until we have a full bag, and we can throw it in the freezer. And then once it's ready to be used, then we can just put it in water, take off the rest of the layer, and then boil it for about 15 minutes. And there you got yourself some corn on the cob. With all the zucchini I got, I decided to shred some and freeze the zucchini as well. So once I'm ready to use it, I'm going to defrost it, and then I'll squeeze out the water and use it. Also got lots of tomatoes, which I'm going to be canning. And also wanted to show you, we got lots of apples. And here is the corn on the cob. And we're ready to freeze these guys. And I also decided to just cut some of the corn so it's just ready to be used and thrown in chilies or soups. And so I can also freeze it this way. So different options there for you guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and as always, be getting in some whole, healthy, fresh food, be getting in some nature, be getting in some sunlight, fresh air, some positive energy. When you do that, we'll all be rising.